Mr. Reven Cerezo.
To be crowned by
To be crowned by our Provincial Director of Mr. Grand Pangasinan, Mr. Apollo Smith
production.
Production. Okay, production. Yeah.
Bugarin.
Bugarin, I'm sorry. Mr. Apollo Smith, Bugarin. Congratulations, Reven. Nice. Very nice. Okay, so Reven, what's your next plan? And ano mga preparations mo for this incoming pageant?
Okay, my next plan is, syempre, to prepare myself in this upcoming pageant of Mr. Grand Philippines 2023 so that I can present my own province, Pangasinan, and also my hometown, Binmalay. At gagawin ko po ang best ko upang may uwi ko.
Nice. And also, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the reigning kings of Mr. Asia Pacific Pangasinan, Mr. Sir Anthony, Mr. Tourism, and Mr. Prince for the photo op. Ayan. Siyempre, together with Mr. Apollo Smith, Bugarin, our Provincial Director of Mr. Grand Philippines and Mr. Asia Pacific Philippines, Pangasinan.